don't know what gave you that inspiration. Evangelist Ebuka Obi, I don't know the zeal, but may that zeal never die.
It can never die. Already.
See, may God, see, you see that vision? Guy, imagine that yesterday, I tell you, say, what will remain for this Zion ministry, Zion City now at university.
And it's possible.
If they put university now, from that place, reaching up at a junction, from that place to HA, go there, people go begin build houses, hostels everywhere.
Space is for that. Even the day when the day what traffic clinic here, he was saying about bringing school for that place. Maybe all university.
If they carry this, okay, now let me ask you. If they carry this thing now, go to Lagos now, go develop this thing. Una go still talk, say Igbo man. You know, come back.
And when you go get anything wrong about this?
Go comment section now.
Boy, and when you go get here, when you go get here, my body for. What are you trying to say?
Una no go near no Apama. Una no gear. Onye na-eme ihe ọma ka a na-eto. Onye na-eme ihe ọma ka do onye bụ ị na-afụ ihe ọma ị na-enwome ihe ọma enwome. Rejoice with those that rejoice. Mourn with those that mourn. It's not difficult to do. If una mmadụ na-eme ihe, I appreciate that person. Or does the government ya put upon what they had made them employ ya people who will be singing them praises to their ears. They employ people to be singing praises to their ears. To the project I alone government here with them that can be able to yield this fruit, that can be able to yield the kind of result on and Zion City and its environment and Zion City or the whole of Ngobala. Kedu project aye media place Ngobala no na marketing gba abia Evangelist Ebuka Obi biko nya bata Ngobala mgba unu ji maka we nwe a little confrontation between villagers and village because Ebuka Obi chọ bata somebody somewhere try to block it mgba unu we tibe yoba. What then is the problem? Anazana unu na-azana maka afọ na agalaba gono onye ọbụla na-achọ iri ipu nke ya emekwe enu eme ana today. Let me tell you people, emele enu emele ana today na agala ọnụ is because somebody made it to have value. Enwel ka Zion we pull with Zion ministry from that place now. It will be difficult to do, but when they decided to do it, that now who go for 5 million today, we go down to its original state. To its original, because that inhabitant them mother dear anozia. That inhabitant them mother dear anozia. But TV Joshua between synagogue na that place and honor. Do you know that because of synagogue there by that place is where the jam park till today? That place and the jam park Ebang was singa for that place. Another ma get ban on ma get ban if or no to money ma ban. When you get that environment synagogue no. It wasn't the redeem again. It wasn't the living faith again. Because of all the day Dunamis Church, the airport road, Abuja. Airport road was walkway thick forest, Ebulugi Sea Airport, and on in Aga Airport. That was Zahi Kaduna Abuja Expressway. Imoya. In other way to define it again, that road yi Saminaka to Kanu Palgoro Forest. On our code. Endless view of forest and trees. And was the book about idea. Boom! That place it was. Oh, because Naduna means about that place. Gwa kene mi he government unu ye me and go mbosin challenge Anambra State governor. Gwa say ha gwa kene a government infrastructure today, a government project today that yield and employ 500 people per year. Kusimia. One that can be able to employ 500 people in a year, so in a month, in a yearly calendar, 365 days. Guam, a governmental organization that can employ 500 people today in Southeast. A governmental project structure, factory, development avenues that can be able to do it. None of them. when last ka mmadụ gba flight from obodo oyibo si na na-abịa enene ihe gọọmenti Nigeria lụ or no na-abịa because of this governmental something, except ọ bụ na onye ahụ bụ onye oshi nwee ka ọ bịa ka anyị na ndị APC mee meeting. Ndị be anyị si wepụ kene na envy and hatred n'obi anyị ka anyị ma na ihe ọ ya na-adịla anyị na mma. Ekenekwa m unu, kenekwasị unu ọzọ ka ọ dị.
Ebuka Obi, everywhere. I don't know why people see. Let me tell you, when somebody make post, no be necessary or no be must say you drop comments. Ebuka Obi. I never go Zion ministry for the first time. I was passing that place. I don't hear say Zion ministry come and go up. I was passing that area. I said make I enter. We hear the media. And as an Igbo man, my opinion, who I hear so there. Some people come comment section. What is our problem? If Ebuka Obi no still do this thing now, so many of you say, the money where they get for church, they use and do this thing. Some people said, some comments, somebody said, these people's offering that they are using to build the thing. Some people said, it's people's personal, say now individuals. Wait, build the thing.
Excuse me. That's the way you post yesterday. Any negative
that
comment?
video where I posted yesterday for that place where I go Ebuka Obi, Zion City. Go read comments.
Negative comment.
I say no, not be say you get some comments where we say you go see you go the verse for.
It's a lie. It's not possible. That kind of thing will be good to have the person go come see that thing.
Okay. Number one, Ebuka Obi is not from Ngopala. Ebuka Obi is not from Ngopala.
Is he even from Imo State?
He's from Imo State now. Ebuka Obi is from Imo State now. Ebuka Obi is from local government, our governor. Then Ngopala to develop. See, let me tell you whether you like it or not, the land value of that area does skyrocket. That area now, all my Ali Metokoreaka. Instead of you to say, God bless Ebuka Obi for doing this, instead of you to say, God bless Ebuka Obi for remembering Imo State, if Ebuka Obi still carry this thing now, go Lagos.
Now that Lagos where you supposed to do the thing.
Hey, Igbo man, hey, why did he go to Lagos? Come home and develop. Somebody don't come home to develop the state where he came from. And so many, and in Kenya with me, now people, now our people, Igbos, go comment, they write some nonsense. Some go say, Ebuka Obi, now people's offering, now people get it. Even say those buildings were post. Now individuals get them. Who brought the ideas?
Now Ebuka Obi now only go around here who anything.
I go that place. Evangelist Ebuka Obi. I don't know what gave you that inspiration. Evangelist Ebuka Obi. I don't know the zeal, but may that zeal never die.
It can never die. Already.
See, may God see. You see that vision. Guy, imagine that yesterday, I tell you, say, what will remain for this Zion ministry, Zion City now, and a university.
And it's possible.
If they put university now, from that place, reaching up on a junction, from that place to Echie, go there, people go begin build houses, hostels, everywhere.
Especially for that. Even the day, when they watch the traffic clinic here, he was saying about bringing school for that place. Maybe all university.
If they carry this, okay, now let me ask you. If they carry this thing now, go to Lagos now, go develop this thing. Una go still talk, say, Igbo man, you don't come back.
And when you go get anything wrong about this?
Go comment section now.
Boy, and when you go get here, what are you trying to say?
And when
you go get that thing,
please, if you're a Zion member, say, God bless Evangelist Ebuka Obi.
Zion will fly.
See, embrace it, and let me tell you. Let me tell you something. The worst thing you can do in this life is to fight grace.
You can never.
When you see grace, hold the grace, grab
celebrate
grace,
grace,
and you see yourself being celebrated. But when you fight grace, you get disgraced.
I swear.
I don't have anything to say. When you fight grace, you get disgrace.
That makes sense.
All the Zion members, share the video.
Zionites!
Share the video.
Zion, we fly.
The video everywhere. Ebuka Obi, Ebuka Obi, Ebuka Obi, Ebuka Obi. Some people say, Apama, you go do the video. Make Ebuka Obi see you. Ebuka Obi, I beg, see me. Ebuka Obi, I beg.
Now that grace we want now.
See me. See me.
Now the grace we want.
I will be a witch to come and start hating. When you see, one of the problem many of us they get when you see person way past you, onye kage. When you see person way past you, acknowledge say this person pass you.
Oh ha.
Bloggers don't go carry this one now. Nobody go carry him.
No, I'm surprised.
Some people they comment. Somebody say, na people's offering. Somebody say, na people, na individuals get the building. Somebody say,
people pay offering. Now make that person open it or make people come pay offering. Is it possible? Is it possible?
Nothing. See, let me tell you. Even if you post, say, I beg, more I share the video, I beg.